Hello everyone, how to towards back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to disable all notification on Hui by TikTok application. So you have to open your Hui application, then tap here right bottom corner on your screen, and then tap again right top corner on your screen, so profile icon, and tap the settings option the same way, and you can see the option privacy, the second option. Sorry, not privacy, it's like a notification, third option. Then you can see all the notification is turned on. It means if someone messages you or send you a request, friend request, suggested friend, new post, then you will get the notification. So if you turn this off, it means it's disabled. So after that you will not get any notification through from this application. So okay friend, today is no more, and see you in the next video.